Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. Welcome to the diagnostic presentation for DTC B0013-13, which indicates an open or increased resistance in the front passenger's knee airbag inflator of the 2023 Honda Accord. The airbag system, critical for occupant safety, uses various components to deploy airbags during a collision. In this case, the front passenger's knee airbag is specifically implicated. This airbag inflator is designed to deploy quickly, offering vital protection during an accident. The SRS, or Supplemental Restraint System, monitors the airbag system's health using sensors and control units. When an abnormality is detected, the SRS unit stores the DTC B0013-13, indicating an issue that requires further troubleshooting to ensure passenger safety. DTC B0013-13 highlights an issue with the front passenger's knee airbag inflator, a crucial component designed to provide protection during a frontal collision. Located in the lower dashboard area, this airbag inflator is connected to the SRS unit, which acts as the brain of the airbag deployment system. The SRS unit continuously monitors various inputs to ensure the airbag system functions correctly. If it detects an open circuit or increased resistance in the airbag circuit, it flags this error by storing DTC B0013-13. The inflator connector, specifically a 2-pin connector, is critical for proper communication between the airbag and the SRS unit. Other affected components may include wiring and connectors leading to the inflator, which are essential for operation. Several potential causes for the DTC B0013-13 error code exist. First, a damaged front passenger's knee airbag inflator may not function properly, leading to an open circuit condition. Second, open wiring in the related circuits, particularly the power supply, RKA+, and ground, RKA-, may also create resistance issues that trigger the DTC. Lastly, a malfunction in the SRS unit itself could be responsible for detecting higher than expected voltages on the detection lines. Each of these components must be inspected meticulously to identify the root cause of the error, ensuring safety systems remain operational. Symptoms of DTC B0013-13 include a warning light illuminated on the dashboard, specifically the SRS warning light, indicating a potential issue with the airbag system. Drivers may also notice that the airbag system operates erratically or fails to perform during a collision, as the complex communication between the sensors and inflators is compromised. This malfunction can lead to the complete failure of the airbag deployment system, leaving occupants vulnerable in the event of an accident. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in taking appropriate actions to rectify the underlying issues. The first step in troubleshooting DTC B0013-13 is to turn the vehicle's ignition to the on mode and wait for approximately 10 seconds. This action allows the SRS unit to perform its initial self-check to determine if any faults are present in the system. The SRS unit checks the connections, ensuring all components are operational before allowing normal function. It is crucial that this step be conducted in a safe environment, as the SRS system is sensitive to electrical irregularities that may affect its performance. After waiting, the technician can proceed with further diagnostics based on the findings. In this step, the technician must inspect the front passenger's knee airbag and its associated inflator connector for any visible damage or signs of wear. Since this component is critical for deployment, any issues here can lead to DTC B0013-13 being triggered. It's essential to ensure that the inflator connector, specifically the 2P type, is securely connected and free from corrosion or other impediments. If deficiencies are found in this step, the knee airbag may need replacement or repairs to restore functionality, ensuring passenger safety during operation. The next troubleshooting step involves inspecting the open wires in the circuit, particularly focusing on the RKA plus and RKA minus lines. These wires supply electrical current to the front passenger's knee airbag and serve as the ground for the circuit. It's important to ensure that there are no breaks, frays, or significant corrosion in the wiring connections. A multimeter should be employed to test the resistance in these wires, ensuring it is less than 1 ohm as specified in the normal conditions. Any abnormalities here can indicate failed wiring that needs immediate attention, which could resolve the DTC B0013-13 if found faulty. In the final troubleshooting step, the technician must conduct an inspection of the SRS unit itself, ensuring that all related components are functioning correctly. If previous inspection conditions have returned to normal, yet the DTC persists, it suggests the SRS unit may be at fault. This component houses the control circuitry for the entire airbag system and is crucial for proper functioning. If a fault is identified in the SRS unit, it may require reprogramming or replacement, helping to ensure that the airbags deploy correctly in the event of a collision. After completing all necessary repairs, a final verification step is crucial for ensuring the effectiveness of the fixes. This involves clearing the DTC from the vehicle's memory using a diagnostic tool and conducting a test to confirm the airbag deployment system functions correctly. The technician preventive maintenance is essential for ensuring the reliability of the SRS system in the vehicle. Regular checks can help identify any wear or damage to the airbag components before they lead to significant issues. Technicians should routinely inspect the connectors and wiring associated with the front passenger's knee airbag to ensure that they remain intact and functional. Conducting these inspections during regular service intervals contributes to the overall safety and integrity of the vehicle's airbag system. Being proactive reduces the likelihood of experiencing issues like DTC B0013-13 in the future. In summary, DTC B0013-13 signifies a critical issue within the airbag system that requires immediate attention. Understanding how the SRS system operates is vital for effective troubleshooting and diagnosing any faults. Thorough inspections of the front passenger's knee airbag, wiring, and the SRS unit are necessary to identify and remedy the problem. By following the outlined troubleshooting steps and conducting preventive maintenance, technicians ensure the safety of all vehicle occupants. Maintaining the reliability of the airbag system reinforces the overall safety measures integrated into modern vehicles and provides peace of mind for drivers and passengers alike. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.